You guys, I am doing a few more vlogs. Vlogs that are more just natural wherever I'm at, and I want to share my life with you, but I also want to share things that have really changed my life. So if you're a photographer that has opened up to law of attraction, manifestation, if you're a videographer that feels the same thing, or any kind of visual artist, I'm going to show you what's in this box at the end of this video. So something that happened to me 3-4 years ago really led me to doing things differently. But in order for me to get to that, I have to tell you a quick story that I want you to put yourself into. Imagine you were the most wanted person on this planet. Imagine everybody wanted you. They wanted you in their yachts over there. They wanted you in their beach homes. They wanted you in their vacation homes that's everywhere. They wanted you in their homes. They wanted you in their businesses. To the point that people lost relationships fighting over you. To the point that people did some really immoral, illegal things to have you in their life. Like anybody would want you. Everybody wants you. Now imagine how crazy that would feel, knowing that. Wouldn't you want to land somewhere that is in your best interest, somewhere that respects you the most, somewhere that is the most hospitable, the most comfortable and nice to be around? Wouldn't you? I would. Like, wouldn't you say, I'm not going to eat at this restaurant, I'm going to go eat at that one over there. And I don't even want this dinky little yacht, I want the big grand yacht right here. You would be so selective about who you date, where you sleep, what you eat, what you wear, what you drive, etc. So now if you imagine everything in your life, everything is energy. Like scientifically, you look at it under a microscope, everything is energy. And if everything is energy, then everything is alive and everything has a life. Remember how I told you a minute ago that you were the most wanted thing on this planet, that people would be fighting for you, that people would do anything and pray for you to be a part of their lives, right? You'd be very selective. So if everything has energy, everything is alive, and money has its own life, so why wouldn't you give money a nice place to come and rest? Why would you want new money to land in an old crummy wallet? Think about it, right? Because if you would do that, if you would be incredibly selective about where you land, then why wouldn't money, new money, want to be selective about where it lands? That's why every single year, except for last year, I forgot, but every single year, I buy myself a new wallet. But it doesn't matter that the wallet is an expensive designer one. It's just whatever you can afford. It's not about the brand. It is about, do you treat it nicely? Do you treat it with respect? Is it a place, if you were tiny, is it a place you would want to come and live and be? So money is the exact same thing. I'm just opening it for the first time actually, a card holder wallet, okay? And I like it, it's crocodile skin. And this is where I'm gonna put the new stuff from the old wallet into the new wallet. Even though I think this wallet was good for the time that it was from, it doesn't matter what store, somewhere at the mall. But this one, I really liked it, and my friend liked it, and he's like, get that one, the crocodile skin one. And it has nothing to do with the wallet price. Like, you can get a $4 wallet from Walmart. Who cares? If you keep it clean, if you don't have to put it in a little dust bag, if you put it somewhere respectfully and you put things in it respectfully and you fold your money in respectfully, it becomes a respectful place for this new money to land. But think about it, if you are the most sought after thing in the world, why would you want to land in an old crummy place when you can land anywhere? Why would you want to live in a shack when you could live in a beautiful coastal mansion by the ocean? Money's the same way. We're all energy, we're all alive, and we all have a life. Okay, I hope that helps you. This is something I do every year. I swear by it, and I have noticed the income increasing to the point that I can be on camera and say things to you guys where you might make fun or I don't really care though. I really don't care. For me, it works. Buy your own wallet, get your own wallet, get your wallet gifted, and treat it nicely and watch the new money come in.